This product has been turning heads from left, right and center, and for good reason. This is the BOYA Magic mic. It's actually one of the first transformable AI powered mini microphones and has 4 forms all built into one. This thing is a transformer. So what do I mean by that? Well, this AI noise cancellation pocket rocket can not only be a condenser handheld microphone, a desktop microphone, or an on-camera microphone. Oh no, underneath the foam is actually 2 lav mics which become a clip-on microphone. And with it only weighing 7 grams and being 13mm, when it's all compact in its all-in-one carry case that's provided, this goes straight into your bag so you don't have to worry. With it running 24-bit and 80 decibels SNR, this is probably the best combination of microphones I've ever used. But that's not everything. Oh no, this thing even has custom controls via their app with a smart limiter and safety track as well. And that's not even the best bit. If you're using the handheld or desktop microphone but you need to move around the room, you can actually take out one of the lav mics and clip it to yourself, and it will automatically detect and change to the lav mic, giving you crisp audio no matter where you are in the room. So this device is pretty much perfect for creators, vloggers, street influencers, podcasters, educators, remote workers, or even the content streamer. It literally is a microphone for everyone and anyone. So if you want to get your hands on one, there is a link in my bio under the latest promos. Go check them out. It is one of the highest rated Kickstarter microphones on the market, and I can understand why. The accessories you get as well, oh my, there's so many. This is now my new daily driver, but I will let you decide because you've actually been listening to it the whole way through this video. So let me know in the comments your thoughts. But other than that, capture, create, captivate, and I'll see you all in the next video.